Hello friends, welcome to Code Hub. In this session, we will discuss about sets and dictionaries. Let's start with set. A set is a collection which is unordered and unindexed. It means the set value should does not have any indexes. In Python, sets are written in curly brackets. See some examples. Like example, this set apples, bananas, cherries. They are different words, but they doesn't have any index numbers. Next, once a set is created, you can't change its items, but you can add some new values. How do we add new items? Add items. To add one item to a set, use the add method, like we will see in Jupyter Notebook. We have to give some headings. Okay, and set, shift enter, and give some example like this set. In curly brackets, we have to give some values like apple, comma, banana, comma, mango. Let's check this set, shift enter. It should be in curly bracket. We have to see, but set does not have any index values. Let's check it. This set and the zeroth index, it will show. If it is I have index number, then it shows apple. Otherwise, a set object is does not subscriptable. It means set value does not have any index values. In the set, we can't change anything, but we can add a new item by using add function. Let's check it. This set dot add, the item name is cherry. Shift enter and check. This set, shift enter. Let's see this. Cherry will add it. We have seen actually apple, banana and mango in a list, but we have to add cherry. But apple should be A, banana should be B, and cherry should be C, and mango should be M. They are following the ascending order. We have to use add function to add only one item, but we need to add multiple items. Then C, to add more than one item to set using the update method. How? We have to use add function to add a single item, but we need to add multiple items by using update. This set dot update a double values or multiple values. I have to give a two items, car and bus. Shift enter and check the two values should be added or not. Here, the bus and car value should be added in the previous list. The next thing is remove items. To remove an item in a set using remove or discard methods, how we will check it. And in this set, we want to remove a mango. Just using this set dot remove method, and the mango value should be, and shift enter. We will check this removed or not. The mango value should be removed, and using discard value also. Let's see this set dot discard dot. I want to remove the bus value. Let's shift enter and checking this. Here we go. The bus value should be removed. Those remove or discard both are the same. And the next one is delete keyword. Delete keyword is it's a keyword. It should be deleted completely as set. How? Del this set and shift enter. I want to check. Name this set is not defined. It means the whole file should be deleted in the database. Next we want to see join two sets by using union or update methods. You can use the union method that returns a new set contain all items from the both sets, or the update method that inserting all the items from one set into another. How we will see that? We have to give two set values, like a is equals to mm, capital A comma capital B comma capital C, and the B value is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3. We have two sets A and B, and we need to add a new set, like C is equals to A dot union to B. Let's print C values. Here we go, 1 2 3 and CBA. They have to add two sets by using union method. In union method, we have to create a new set like C, but update method we have to add A value should be B, like B dot update A, and print the B value. Just shift enter. As same as update value should be in union value. And this is the set. And next one is dictionary. What is the dictionary? A dictionary is a collection which is unordered. A dictionary which is an unorder, changeable and indexed. Dictionary can changeable and index value should be have. In Python dictionary we are written with curly brackets as same as set, and they have keys and values like this. This dictionary is the function variable name, and the name should be key, and Shiva is a value. Every name have some values. Every key has have some values. Sex is a key and value is a male, like this. Let's give some heading. Dictionary. Create a dictionary. This dick in curly brackets, and name is a key, and Shiva is the value. And next one is sex. Sex is a male. Here sex is a key and male is a value. The next thing is age. Age is the key and the age should be written like 25. It's integer value. This is also value. Just run it. Just run this program and check this dict. Shift enter. We have to create a dictionary. Name, key and Shiva is a value like this. And we have to change the values. You can change the values of a specific item by refer to its key name. We have to read here. Dictionary can changeable and indexed. Let's see how to change it. I want to change name value. How? This dict is a data name and the key is a name. I want to change Shekhar. Let's run this program and check what is happen. There you go. Name will be changed like a shaker. And the next thing is adding item. I want to add a new item. How? Adding an item to dictionary is done by using a new index key and assign a value. Before we have to change the value to a particular key and we have to add a new key and new values. Let's do it. This dict I want to add surname. Let's give some value. Kamari. Shift enter and checking. This dict here the name Shaker, sex male, age 25, surname is Kamari. The new item should be added. And the next value is removing items. There are several methods to remove items from a dictionary. A del keyword remove the item with a specific key name. Specific key name will be deleted by delete keyword by using. Here del is this dict and a particular key value. I want to remove a 6. Shift enter and check it should be deleted or not. Shift enter. The 6 key and value should be deleted here. And delete keyword can also delete complete a list value. Let's check it. Del space dict. Shift enter and checking this dict. Shift enter. Name dict enter is not defined. It means the file should be deleted in database. This is a brief explanation about dictionary. And please do subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.